What up? Welcome back to my channel. We are planting today. We're planting our garden, Zone 3 garden. We have all of our babies ready to go into the soil. Barista Frost is pretty much gone. May long weekend. Let's go! This is our garden area. We have here, and then we have there, and then behind me we have 2 rows that we do bigger stuff like squash, pumpkins, things that get really big. This side we stick to tomatoes. We already planted our beans, so there's that row, that row, that row is beans. And then this year we tried something different. It is called spinach. It is called spinach, like no one's heard of it before. Oh hey, doo, doo, doo. So we have this row here, and what we got here is we have a butternut squash. Here is another zucchini. This one is one that we grew ourselves. Some more marigolds. This is one that we grew ourselves, and it is a Casper pumpkin. So it is a white pumpkin. And at the end here, this is one we grew ourselves from seed, and it is a giant pumpkin. Does it get giant? No, it doesn't, because we don't have really a proper growing season. But we did grow it from seed ourselves. To the next row, starting off here, we have a yellow zucchini. And beside that one is just a regular zucchini. I don't know what color. But we got a zucchini. This one's kind of not the happiest, to be quite honest. So we'll give it a lot of love. But we did plant this one from seed. And then here we have 6 eggplant. We have 6 eggplant plants. You can plant them closer together because they mostly grow up. And then I think that eggplants are really pretty in a garden. They look cool. The color, the shape, and how they grow. So we didn't do these last year or maybe the year before, but the year before that we did that, and David made a really good eggplant parmesan. So that's probably what we'll do with our eggplants, because I don't really know. Eggplant is kind of like one of those vegetables that are kind of boring to eat. But yeah, we got some eggplant plants here. We have another zucchini that we grew from our own seed. I love zucchini, if you haven't noticed. Zucchini is also very versatile when it comes to doing different canning things and baking. You can make zucchini bread, you can make zucchini fritters, you can do so much with zucchini. So I have a love for zucchini. Here we have a spaghetti squash that we bought. A little bit of a backstory on on spaghetti squashes. We overdid spaghetti squash once. We were on keto. Realized that spaghetti squash is a good alternative to literally spaghetti, and we ate so much of it, and then we grew so much of it, and we went years with growing 5 or 6 spaghetti squash plants, and they always produce 1 or 2 of them. But the thing was, I got sick of them, and then they stayed in our basement for a long time, and they just got rotten. Frankly, because I was just over them. I didn't want to have any more spaghetti squash. But the cool thing is they do last well into the winter, even into the spring for next year, because you just put them in a dark, cool place and they're fine. But we do have 1 spaghetti squash, only 1, and I'm actually pretty excited to do the spaghetti squash. I think I'm not sick of it anymore. I'm kind of craving that spaghetti squash. The last 2 things in this row is just another marigold And we bought this. It is a martini cucumber. It's like a little white one. So we have that there. Onto this little plot of soil. We got some things going on. These big bushes are Haskap bushes. So they grow little like blueberries, Haskap berries. In between this and the stick there, I just put in some cucumber seeds. I've never really done cucumbers here that I know of, so we'll see if that grows. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes. I'm pretty sure each one is different, so let's take a look. And we did plant all of these by seed. So the tomatoes did really good for us. So this is just a regular cherry. This one is a black tomato. We always do like fun tomatoes. We go on this website called Seed Rack. Maybe we'll do a video and order some for next year in the fall, and I can make a video on that. And we just order funky tomatoes and they always grow for us. This one is just a cherry tomato. Tomato! This one's kind of sad. He needs some water. This one is a Genovese tomato. So I'm pretty sure it grows like big and like not bumpy, but like viney kind of. Another cherry tomato. And then the last one is a funky one. It is a pineapple tomato. So that's fun. We got 6 of those. And then all that we got here is beans, which we did by seed. Except for this like random spinach that David has put here. So yeah, that is our garden in the country for 2025. So if you would like to see the progress of our garden here in sunny, semi-warm Zone 3 Canada, then Northern Canada. I will always say that. Follow along, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be probably making a video like probably when everything's growing a lot more, and then obviously harvest season and what I'm going to be doing with our harvest as we go along. Maybe I'll make a video for each thing. If you want to follow along a little family of 3 where we just like hang out and do fun things and garden, hang around a bit. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. XOXO. I'm going to organize my YouTube and make a playlist of all of the garden videos that I've made in the past down below. I have made videos like this before, not too many, but I have made some, and I will make a playlist over the years on this exact same layout garden and different years and what we planted then. Maybe you'll see the video of all of the spaghetti squash. But if you do want to just check out my YouTube, I do try to do a lot of gardening stuff, but this is chaos. Like, this channel is like not education, like it's just for fun. Okay, it's a fun channel. Got it. Okay, fun. You like fun? Hang out for a bit.